Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Modern Homemaker. Hope you all are doing good. So today I thought of sharing few of my favorite skincare products review with you. So these are all the things that I'm using right now and I generally use them. Few of them are like staples for me. I don't change these. I use them regularly. So the very first thing that I'll share with you is this scrub. This is Neutrogena Deep Clean Blackhead Eliminating Daily Scrub. So this scrub claims to be used regularly, like on a daily basis. And so before going ahead of all the products, I'll tell you a little about my skin. My skin is oily, and as you can see, if you here and there acne marks on my skin. So I have acne prone skin right now. I don't have any active acne on my face, but yeah, my skin is oily and I do get acne very often and very easily. So I try to take care of my skin and my diet as well. So the very first product is this is the scrub. So the consistency of this scrub is kind of liquidy, very creamy. It does not have any scrub beads in it. So I'll show you a little how the consistency is. So the consistency of this product is like this. I hope you can see it. This is like very creamy sort of. There are very fine granules, very fine particles. So if you have very sensitive skin, then this product is good for you, or else I would suggest that it is not like a very good buy. So yeah. So the second thing that I want to share with you is this is the plum green tea mask. Now this is one of my very favorite mask. This is the third bottle, like the third container that I am using, and it is almost over. So I don't know, I'm not going to buy it right now because I'm not ordering anything online right now due to the lockdown. So but yeah, it's kind of a clay texture like multani mitti, and this is very good for oily skin. I use it like once in a week. Also when I have any zit appearing, so I just apply it on the zit, just like a little amount on the particular area, and I keep it overnight. And it's not that the pimple or like the acne just disappear in the morning, in the night. Not like that, not a magic product. Wish it could be, but it's not. So but still it calms the acne, because it feels like it does have green tea extract and of course the kind of multani mitti wala extract. So it's very good for oily skin. Now the third product that I have is this, again from Plum. This is Plum green tea toner. Now this toner says this is alcohol free and I trust it. I have like I told you, I have oily skin and it's very tricky to find a good toner for oily skin. I think so, at least. So I've used many toners in this range. I mean because see, it's important to compare the products in the same price range. I used a La Roche-Posay toner once. That was amazing, that was very nice, but of course that's amazing on pocket too. It's pretty expensive. But this toner is it retails for 390 rupees, and almost I get it on some 30-40 rupees discounts. I get it most of the times, I get it for 350 rupees from Amazon. This is very good. It does not have any toner, it does not irritates your skin. In this range, I think this is one of the best toners. The fourth thing I have is, I think almost all of you have seen it. This is Biotic Morning Nectar Moisturizer. The one that I have, it has 30+ SPF, UVA UV protection also. So this is very good. This is like a sunscreen cum lotion. This is one moisturizer. I think this is amazing. I have heard a lot of makeup artists as well using this moisturizer before they start makeup of their brides or of any person, any girl, for any occasion. So I first discovered this moisturizer in a hotel. I think they started marketing from there only. So the miniature bottles, and I always used to carry those bottles because I really love it, and I have not seen it in the market earlier, like in the beginning. So I used to take them away from the hotels. But then like when the first time I found the full bottle I bought it, and from that time I'm using only this moisturizer. I know there are many good moisturizers and face creams by many good brands, but in this price range, this is 199 rupees. So in this price range, I don't know any good moisturizer. If you know, please let me know, comment down. Now moving to the next thing is the night cream that I'm using right now. So right now I'm using this. First I'll show you this Innisfree Perfect 9 Repair Cream. This is quite expensive. I think night cream is something which is always the most expensive cream that I use in my complete skincare, because I really like using night creams. I feel it really gives a good healthy like glow and healthy look in the morning. When you wake up, your skin feels really fresh. So this is the cream. I don't remember the price of it. I think it was for 3600 or 3500. It was 3000 plus, I remember that. But this is a big tub. I mean, I still have it. I still have something in it. So it's very creamy, and it has very good feel, very light fragrance, and very amazing. So right now I have stopped using it because I was afraid that I wouldn't be able to buy it again in the lockdown situation, and what if I finish it, what will I be using then? So I started doing it alternately, and I started using this alternately in the night. This is aloe vera gel. This is from the Face Shop. I'll see you how it looks. This is just white in color. I mean, I don't know if you can see anything. This is just transparent, so it feels like it's real aloe vera. The smell is amazing. I have used the Patanjali one earlier. I think we all have used that, the one which looks green in color. I think it definitely have a lot of chemicals in it. Not just, I'm not saying because it is cheap in price, but I mean, I used it earlier and I find it quite well at that time. But when I used this one, then actually I could figure out the difference in in the real aloe vera gel. The best thing is, if you have aloe vera plant in your home, just cut the leaf and put it on your face. That is of course the best thing, the purest thing. But apart from that, I think this is very amazing. And now since I have started using it at night, I've stopped using it, not alternately, I've stopped using it, and I'm using it, and this is very amazing. I store it in refrigerator. It's very cool, and then I apply it in the night. It feels really amazing. Sometimes I use it in the morning also in place of this moisturizer. Like, this is the thing what I use in the morning after I wash my face. But right now, sometimes because it is cool, I store it in fridge, so it feels very amazing, so I use this. So these are all the products that I'm using currently in my skincare. There are few more, but I could put my hands on these right now. So I hope you like the review, and these are all honest review. I have bought all this from my money. I have not received this from anyone, since I'm quite new to the platform. So yeah, so I hope you like the video. You can of course buy these products. I'll put the prices of all the products in the description box, and all the names and everything, all the details of the products in the description box. And thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel below, The Modern Homemaker. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.